Johar everyone and welcome to this video presentation. Wild edible mushroom of Jharkhand presented by Prabhat Kennedy Soren. What are mushrooms? Mushrooms are fleshy and microscopic basidiocarpus or ascocarpus spore-bearing fungi. They are attractive because of their beauty and nutritive value, though there are many mushrooms which are deadly poisonous. Parts of a mushroom. A mushroom may have following parts: the cap or pilus, the gills or lamellae, the veil, the vulva, the annulus or ring, the stipe, the cap or pilus. This is the most attractive part of a mushroom. This could be thick, fleshy, membranous, or corky depending on the variety of mushrooms. Pilus surface may be smooth, rough, scaly, or hairy. The apex of the cap could be convex, conical, or campanulate. The gills or lamellae. They are situated below the pilus and extend from the tip of the stalk to the margin of the pilus. Basidia developed in the gills which produce spores. Then veil, it covers the gills and extends from the margin of the cap to the stalk. The vulva, some varieties of mushrooms remain covered by a veil. When fruiting body develops, this veil breaks open and some parts of it remain attached to the stalk, forming cup-like structure called as vulva. Then annulus or ring. Uh, It is formed around the stipe. It may be present or absent. The stipe, it is centrally attached to the cap. You can see here in this slide the typical structure of a mushroom. You can see vulva, stipe, ring, gills, pilus. Then cycle of a mushroom. So mushroom also fulfills a typical type of life cycle. You can say the mature fruiting body it has different parts. In that it has also gills, and in the gills basidiums are formed, where the meiosis takes place and basidiospores are formed. And these basidiospores may be uh, uh, of two types. Uh, Negative strain or positive strains. And when there is a fusion of these two types of strains of mycelia, the dikaryotic hyphae is formed. And from this dikaryotic hyphae, a bud-like structure is formed, and from there, uh, fruiting body of mushroom develops. Substrates of mushrooms. Mushrooms are very specific to their nutrient source, thus they grow on a particular habitat for their nutrient requirement. They grow saprophytically on various dead substrates and parasitically or symbiotically on or with other organisms. Their fruiting bodies occur either above the substratum or hidden under the substratum. In rainy seasons, in the forest of Jharkhand, varieties of mushrooms appear edible as well as poisonous. So, some of the mushrooms which we can find in the forest of Jharkhand, they are like Lycopodon, Asterias, Boletus, Microlepioda, Rassula, Termitomyces. Four types of Termitomyces are found in the forest of Jharkhand. Mushrooms are found from July to September in Jharkhand. Astreus, which we call Rugna or Putto, Dermatomyces hemi, Dermatomyces albuminosa. They are found abundantly in the forest of Jharkhand. So villagers collect them and sell them in the village market as well as in the city market. These mushrooms, these one edible mushrooms have different uh, names, scientific name as well as local name. As you can see in the slide, these mushrooms are have different names in Sadri, Mundari, Kuru, Kariya. Then Dermatomyces hemi, Dermatomyces plicata, Dermatomyces albuminosa. These are the green mushrooms in the forest of Jharkhand. Different types of uh, Putu, Lycopodon, then Boletus, which is the biggest mushroom in size, the, in Jharkhand, which is found in association with the jamun tree. That's why it's called jamun kukri. The rusula, which is known as patra kukri. And then Termitomyces microcarpus, which is known as balu kukri, very tasty mushroom. Can say this is the bada kukri, which grows in the forest or in Jharkhand when the Karam festival is celebrated in Jharkhand. This is Patiari, Dermatomyces semi. This is Circo, Dermatomyces crepitus, very tasty mushroom. This is Balu kukri, Dermatomyces microcarpus. Rugada, Astreus hygromaticus, early variety of Rugada. And this is late variety of Rugada, locally known as Kherputtu, Astreus odoratus. Then this is Pora kukri. It grows in the decaying straw. Then Tumbaktu lycopodon. This is Boletus Jamun kukri another type. Boletus edulis. This mushroom grows on the mango tree where the, on the dead branches of mango tree is edible. This is Patara, Rusula. You can say insect association with the mushroom. So this is one of the indication that mushroom is edible. This mushroom is also edible. This grows also in the decaying wood. This is kulki kukri. This is edible. They are very small in size, but they grow in group. This is amanita, edible amanita. This is also edible amanita, yellow color. This is a type of Rusula, Patra kukri. This is Microleptota. This is not known. The edibility of this mushroom is not known. This also edibility is not known. This is Pagla kukri. This is a poisonous one. This is I'm not sure whether this is edible or not. This is poisonous one. This is a type of Amanita. This is also poisonous. The name of this mushroom is not known, but this is poisonous because it has very repellent smell. Okay, this mushroom is polyporous. It grows on the tree trunk. This is so not known that this is edible or not. This is another mushroom. We are not sure whether this is edible or not. This is tremate. This grows also on the tree trunks. This is also one variety of tremate.